When natural disasters like floods and storms hit, our roads can get badly damaged. So how do we fix them? Firstly, we look at the damage and figure out how much money will be needed. Then we use the funds from different places. Council uses its budget for small, urgent repairs to make sure roads are safe. For big repairs, we ask for help from state and federal governments, which will have special programs to help towns recover after disasters. But securing government funding can be challenging. It involves submitting detailed applications and damage reports, which can take time to prepare and often requires hiring specialist professional services. Once submitted, these applications go through a review process, which often requires further discussions to address any questions. This process can take weeks, months, and even years, depending on the scale of the disaster and repairs and the complexity of the funding program. Often this funding is limited. It usually only covers replacing what was there before, not upgrading roads or road assets to current standards, like the bridges, to handle future disasters better. But building back stronger is crucial to prevent the same damage from happening again. This means we need extra funding and ongoing advocacy to make roads and infrastructure more resilient to extreme weather events. While waiting for approval, we focus on smaller repairs, using council funds to make roads and road assets safe in the short term.
You should never drive, ride or walk through floodwater. When it floods, roads get washed away, they're undermined, and you can't see that.
Natural disasters test the strength of our community, our infrastructure and our resilience. At Council, we're committed to not just repairing the damage, but laying the foundation for a safer, stronger future.